Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today, we will walk you through how to configure the GM report table components, and we've got something new to show you. This component now supports matrix reports in addition to tabular and summary reports. That means you can bring powerful cross-group insights right into your Lightning pages. Let's get started. We have here a matrix report. Click Edit. Click on the Properties panel. From here, copy the developer name. We will need this when setting up the components. Now, go to the page where you want to add your reports. It could be your home page, app page, or record page. In our case, we will set it up in our Opportunity Record page. Edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Let's start by adding a tab. Give it a name, for example, Matrix Report. Click Done. In the component list, search for GM Report Table. Drag it into the new tab. In the right side Properties panel, paste the report's developer name you copied earlier. Set Opportunities Matrix Report as the custom label. Let's enable the Show Border option to frame the report for better visibility. Enable or disable the Refresh option as needed. And enable the Grand Total. Activate subtotals to improve data breakdown. And Detail row. Click Save, and head back to your page to see the component in action. And here it is, your matrix report, displayed directly in the record page. Users can now view row and column groupings, grand totals, and subtotals, all in one dazzling glance. If you want to refresh the data, just click Refresh. You can also expand your report. Thank you for watching.